We're back now with Angie Horkin for the Wisconsin Beef Council. Another tasty recipe, of course, using that Wisconsin beef. Hi, Angie.
Hello.
This looks good. It's the grill is still smoking here for us.
We have a freshly
Hot and
grilled
fresh.
top round steak. So yeah, I'm using top round steak in this recipe. We call this a salad, but it's a barley salad. So
Okay.
I don't have any lettuce, but it's still going to be a salad.
Something
we got
different.
a lot of fresh veggies. We're going to use barley and then the top round. So I actually marinated the top round overnight in a low-fat vinaigrette. And so you can use any kind of vinaigrette you like. I use balsamic because I love balsamic vinaigrette.
Yes.
And then use the same vinaigrette in a little 4-ingredient gremolata dressing. So top round now is economical and not super tender.
There you go.
So that's why you want to marinate it overnight. But you can substitute any steak you like, marinate it as needed, and you're good to go. So very versatile. So in this large bowl, we're going to mix up our barley,
All right.
which might have did too much, but we're going to make a lot.
Nah, that's all right.
And then I got sugar snap peas. So the barley's already cooked, ready to go, and so are the sugar snap peas. I just blanched them for 3 minutes. Then I've got some fun tomatoes. I got the multicolored little cherry tomatoes.
Gotta get the colors of the rainbow in there.
With our eyes. I'm going to do a little bit more parsley.
Okay.
We have a little parsley in the gremolata. So yeah, use that same low-fat vinaigrette in here with some fresh lemon peel, fresh parsley, and a little pepper.
Yum.
I'm going to just pour this in.
Ooh, look at that.
You give that a big stir. Our top round's been resting a little bit, so I'm going to slice it up. And then I think we'll just throw this right in with that, and then we can serve it just out of the bowl, like family style. 4 servings, so super delicious. You got your whole grains in there, you got your fresh veggies, and then you've got your lean protein, because top round is a very lean cut.
Look at that.
Oh, this is delicious.
Oh, that looks so good.
Not many ingredients. This would be a fun meal prep recipe, too. You can make the night before, make on the weekends, package up for some delicious, very nutritious, very filling, satisfying steak lunch.
Something for everyone
Who
there,
doesn't
too.
love steak at their lunch? And round steak's pretty economical. I threw it all in, so
Well, and if you buy some things in bulk, sometimes, too, you can save there. But yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah. So steak, sugar snap pea, and barley salad, beeftips.com. Click on it as seen on TV. You'll find all of our great steak salads. Perfect for this time of year.
Yeah,
Welcome to spring.
Spring is here, getting that protein and all the healthiness that comes with it. Angie, thank you.
You're welcome.